Welcome back to day 2 of the UK track adventure. Bit of a shit end to Oulton Park. Hopefully it's just an issue with the ignition, something like that. But the bigger issue was hit the corner of the trailer driving on, and as you can see there, nice big crack. Plan is to check the car is running okay, check the plugs and stuff, put on 2 shit tyres and see can I get out. Doing a lap with Peter in the M2 while I get my car repaired, hopefully.
Don't expect too much, it's my first lap.
Slipping.
Yeah.
Wow, so I'm happy boy. Peter let me drive the M2 there. So I had a few laps, my first few laps in Donington in a 400 plus brake horsepower M2. Got the tyres done, checked all the plugs, checked the leads, checked all that stuff. So I think it's a fueling issue. So I'm gonna try a few other things with the help of Richie, and that's another Richie. So that's it. with James Byrne, professional race driver. One lap in the race car, had a good buzz, and thanks to all the lads that gave me shotgun rides. Peter, Keith, Richie for all the help with the parts, Rob of course, Radical. Did I miss anyone there?